Okay, class. So let us review. Okay. So in C++, okay, so what are the math operators? Okay. So in C++ math operators, the basic one is we have the addition, we have the subtraction, we have the multiplication, okay, and then we have division, okay. Then at the same time, we have also this modulo, okay, which is the remainder of your whole number, okay. So for example, when I say x is equal to 2, let's say 2, and then y is equal to 23, okay? And then you would say z is equal to x divided by y, and z is equal to x modulo of y, okay? So what is the difference between these two now, okay? Because they're actually on division, okay? So in this case, class, if you have their z is equal to, bali class, sorry class, sakay, dako rong value niya, bali. Okay, so let's have their y divided by 6. Okay, so in this case, class, if you have y as 23 and then divide it by 2, if you have declare, okay, so if you have declare integer x, y, and z, therefore you have to get only the whole number, okay? So 23 divided by 2 means you get only the quotient, okay? So which means we only have the result of 11. Okay? Naka. Sa dimsum? Oh, sige. Okay. So, another one class is if you have, kuha na lang dong, isa is lumpia Shanghai, then ang isa is plain lang. Igo na lang mukuan ko. Mangayo ninyo. Okay. So, in here class, if you have 23 modulo of 2 means you get the remainder. Okay. So, take note, 11 times 2, that is 22. You subtract it to 23, that means you get only 1. So, in here, we get only the integer quotient. And then the other one is we get the integer remainder. Now, modulo class is only applicable to, siya applicable class, integer. Okay? So, remember that if you have the percent, okay, and then the variables that you're using are integer, take note, okay, mo react lang ning modulo class sa integer type. Okay? So, in this case, you only have to get the remainder. Pag percent class, okay? Remember that. Kaya magamit na ba na siya sa mga, ano na to? Okay. Sa to ang mga next lesson na dayon. Okay? Okay. So, ani din class. So, these are some of the example of the C++ math operator. Next is, what is also C++ increment and decrement operators. Okay? So, the increment and decrement operators are follows. Plus plus and minus minus. Okay? So, pag mayroon ka plus plus class, it means increment by 1, or which means you're going only to add 1. When you say minus minus, that means you decrement by 1 also. Okay? So, kana siya class. So, how is it being applied? For example, okay, if you have an assignment statement, applicable siya ng ani class, x plus plus. Okay? Now, what is x plus plus? X plus plus is same as x is equal to x plus 1. So, actually, gi-expound na ako ng x plus plus. So, shortcut notation ang x plus plus class. So, which means, if you encounter x plus plus, or if you have used x plus plus, it means that you're going to have x as equal to x plus 1. So which means that your x on your left side will receive a new value wherein the current value of x will be added with 1, and the result of that will be placed onto your x. So for example, okay, if your x is equal to 3, and then when you say x plus plus, so in this case, so it will return 4, okay, where x is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So, ano siyang result class. But take note also class, maka-encounter sad mo og plus plus x. So, pwede din na ma'am. Okay, pwede na siya because it's an operator, okay, wherein nabali lang siya. Now, there is a difference in this case if you have x plus plus and plus plus x. Okay? Ang may tabo lang ani class is that if ever kumingon ta og x plus plus, the same siya aning plus plus x. Okay? Pareho na sila, mo return na sila og 4. But, ani ni siya class. Kung maingon ko og x is equal to 4, and then I would have x plus plus, and then if I would say C out x, okay? So, ang mahitabuan na niya class is muhatag siya value nga sa man. Okay. So, it will give a value that is x value. So, yun ani. Tanaw na to class ha. Okay. Language C++. Okay, ito sa ni siyang tanggalon. Okay. So, if for example, ningkog integer x, okay, and then I would say x plus plus, then you have there C out x, okay. So, let's say x is, nato, okay, run nato siya. Okay. So, kulang pa din ni class. Butangan sa nakog value. Kaya nag-create siya gihang ko galingong answer na himong 1 na wa pa ko naghatag. Okay? So, run. Muna'y bantayan ninyo class. Okay. So, anaran class. So, x plus plus, so it still resulted as 3. So, 2 plus 1, that makes it 3. Kung balihon sa nato siya class, ana sa plus plus x, irana na to, okay? Same lang gihapon siya result. But, if ever ma-encounter ninyo siya ingunani na class, okay? So, let's say we need another variable. Let's say y. Okay? So, let's say ningon tag y is equal now to 3 plus x plus plus. Okay? So, tanawa class ha. So, C out y is y. Okay, let's run the program. Okay. Ay, butangan sa din ako ni NL class para dili masumpay. Kay notice nagsumpay bati kita na. So, okay. So take a look at this now. Now, the result is y is 5, x is 3. Okay. Now take note, what is the current value of your x? The current value of your x is 2. Now, in here, when y is equal to 3 plus x plus plus, notice, ang result niya is 5. So, yung naning nahitabo class, gikuha niya ang value sa imong x in which wala pa ni-react ang increment operator. Okay? Wala pa niya gigamit ang increment operator. It's only the value of your x. Kaya nga naman. So, gi-add lang niya whatever was the value of your x. Okay? So, ang plus plus only after effect na siya mo nang diri pag x is 3. So, after na sa iyang result. Pero pag add ni mo diri sa equation na y is equal to 3 plus x plus plus, ang iharang gikuha class is ang x value in which ang current dili after the increment operator. So, kung ako ni siyang balihon ron class, muna ko plus plus x. Okay? So, in this case, 3 plus ang final result sa imuhang x. So, iyasang i-operate ang increment anha mag-add sa imuhang x. Since nag-unamang operator, kanang increment operator nimo, so may tabo, anak pa mo, take effect ron ang x niya, anak pa siya mo add. Okay? So, tanawa gani class. Close na sila.
Pero karon man.
Oh, karon. Oh, 18. 7 p.m. daw. Okay, class. So, notice, ingon ana ang difference sa pag magamit mong increment and decrement operator. Okay? So, ato i-ikuan diri para inyo sa ning mahimong notes na sad. Okay. So, kanina, lahi sad siya. So, x plus plus ang iyang gibuhat. So, there's really a difference kung mogamit kag ingonana. So, kani siya. Okay. So, bantayan ninyo na class. Okay, you might encounter that one and then ipapredict niya mo sa iyahang answer. Okay? Okay, so yung nanana class. So that is the difference if you use the increment operator. Now, class, ang increment, same ragyapon na siya sa decrement. So, minus minus. So, if you take a look at this, so kung mag-minus minus ta class, so decrement by 1. Pero as for this time, yang ipagawas 3 lang gyapon. Okay? Oh, no. In here, okay. Ang nahitabo na nimo dere, okay. So, 3 plus x. Okay? So, ang nahitabo is you have there 5, x minus minus man ka class. So, 2 minus 1. So, munang name mo siya 1. While ang result sa mo ang y, 3 plus 2, remain gihapon. So, mo result siya ana. Now, kung balihon na to class, ana dayon mo react ang x nimo. Okay. So, here, y is 4 because you have subtracted your x by 1. So, 2 minus 1, that is already 1. Added with 3, that makes it 4. Okay? So, x is 1. Okay? So, remain lang gyapon sa class. So, kani yohang bantayan. Okay? So, careful mo kung magamit mag-increment and decrement. Now, usually, mga good class, magamit ning increment and decrement usahay, diri na sa ato ang next topic nga kanang decision statement. Magamit na siya sa decision statement kay usay i-shorten na to ang program. So, daghan pa di ninyo hang dapat may balaan. Okay? So, here. Okay. So, remember class, natay C++ math operators. Okay. So, this is the example. The use of the modulo and the division. Okay. Now, kung mogamit man gani ka og division class and then declared siya as not integer but float or double, that means iyahag yung result class point something yun na. So, mo na mahitabo. Okay? So, take a look at this. Okay? So, kung ingon ani manggani class, okay, for example, in here, okay, so C out, array, integer quotient is, ano siya, panisad, C out, integer, remainder is, okay. Kung nirana to na siya class, nga na nang may tabo. Okay. Butangan na sad na kog NL class kay para dili siyang mag sumpay. Okay? So, di ba, mao na akong gihatag ninyo nga answer. Okay? So, yun ana siya class. Pero, kung moingon ta og float, okay? Let's say, float na to ni sila. Ay na tong variable kay aron di siya mag-conflict. Okay. Kani karon na itong i-change of A, then B, then kani C, and then B, and then A. So, C. So, ang ato din diri is Okay, so gingananan ako class. So the result after dividing two real numbers, so gingananan din ang mahitabo niya class. Oops, wakoy NL. So muna'y bati class basta dita mag-end of line. Matitay tan-awon. Okay ra na to. Okay. So, yun na siya class. So, the result after dividing the two real numbers, so 11.5 siya class. Kung integer gani ang type class, pareha na integer. Okay? So, ang imong operators as integer, so, ang resulta na niya whole number sad. Pero kung float gani imong gamiton class, that means you get the decimal point. So, mo na bantayan ninyo class sa especially magamit mo o kaning mga division. Okay? So, okay. So, nanana na siya. Okay. So, mote atong math operators. So, mo sa niya itong increment and decrement operators. Okay? So, bantayan ninyo na. Okay? So, another one is nasa tay ginatawag nga shortcut nga assignment statement. Okay? So, sa maning shortcut assignment statement. Shorthand notation niya. Okay. If you happen to have it like this, kana. Sama na siya, ma'am. Okay? So, pwede mo magamit ingon na class. Shortcut na siya, class. Ano shortcut man? Okay. So, there are times na pwede ta mo shortcut. Okay? Pwede ingon na ni. Sample lang, ha? Okay. Now, this is the same as x is equal to x plus 1. So, muna shortcut niya, class. X minus is equal to y is same as x is equal to x minus y. Okay? So, which means, there is iyahang duha ka operand na siya gi-repeat diha. So, in which ang current value, okay, added with another operand, ang katong imo ang variable ron, mausab na yang value. Okay? So, mo na siya pasabot class. So, shortcut is siya. So, pwede siya ma-shortcut og percent. Okay? So, ang iyahang notation is like, okay? So, mo na inyong bantayan. Pwede di ay. So, pwede di na, ma'am. Basta kay, kung na may repeat dito sa iyahang ano. Okay? So, ingananan na siya, class. So, mo na shortcut. So, pwede mo mag-ingon ng percent kung ang inyong equation is na ay gina-repeat ninyo nga katong receiving variable ninyo gigamit sa diri sa sulod. Okay? Kanang x, for example. But class, it doesn't mean na permi lang kung magkuhan og x sa pwede sa ningon kog y. Basta kay anay tabo, kana sila magparihag yun na sila. Okay? So, naay naay repetition kintahay ba? Okay? So, mo na shortcut assignment statement mo, class. Then, this time, class, as I have said before, nasa tayo ginatawag nga C++ math. Okay? So, which means natay mga math function. For example, this one, max xy. Okay? So, which means identify niya which among of x and y has the highest value. So, kana siya. So, pwede ka mo gamit itong max. Same as min or minimum. Okay? So, i-identify na niya. So, in this case, pareha na class. Yang gitry no. So, which among 5 and 10 has the maximum value? So, iya din ma-identify class. So, 10 ang maximum. Okay? So, mga ano ni siya, math function. Then, here, we have also square root. So, kung maggamit ka og square root class, so kani SQRT. But make sure class, naa kay header file na number includes C Math. Okay? And then, round off. Okay? Then, using the logarithm. Okay? So, at the same time, here are also the list of other math function. So, natay absolute, natay arc cosine, arc sine, arctangent, okay? So, then you have also cube root, nasa tay rounding to the nearest integer, cosine, hyperbolic cosine. So, everything here, class, nadiri, pati power function, kanang x to the power of y, kani siya class, gamit na siya. Okay? So, I'm going to give you the site kung asa ninyo makita. So, C++ math function. Okay? So, diha ninyo na siya makita. Okay. So, for example, class, let's say, let's find, okay, an example nga equation. Let's say, for example, kanang, tawagan ni, math equation. So, mangita tag mga math equation. Okay, for example, like this. Kani class. Or kanina lang. Okay? So, for example, this equation, kaning pag-determine sa discriminant sa namo. Okay? So, let's say, magamit na. So, how do we convert math? Okay? Math function. Okay? So, parihan na class, x is equal to, let's say, minus b, okay, plus square root, okay, of, magamit ang power function, b2, okay, nga naman na, pow b2 plus. The base is b, the power is 2, okay, then minus 4 times a times c. Okay. Now, here, pwede kaming negative 1 times b. Okay. So, in this case, class, ato ning isulod og parentheses. So, mas may ginang kabalo mo utilize sa parentheses class. Okay? So, kanida yon. So, this one as a 1 function. Okay? Isa na sila. And then, i-close na to parentheses kaya para pag-divide yon og 2 times a. Okay. So, yun na paggamit class. Okay? So, for example, kung ato na siyang i-apply diri, inyuhang math function, okay? So, let's say, for example, gamit ta og, so ito'y value na to. So, you have their B, A, and C, or A, B, C. Okay? So, let's say A, and then B, and then C. Tapos, ang imong result is float x na class. Okay. So, let's say, mangayo ta sa enter the value for A. Okay. So, Cn para sa imuhang A. Okay, then, next na sad is ang value sa B o C. So, tagsa-tagsaon pintay nato para makita. Yahag yung inan. Okay, then C. Okay. Then, the equation. So, i-apply din nato itong equation class. So, panisiya. Okay. So, take note ha. Oh. If you happen to click on the parentheses, makita ni mo ang partner. So, partner na siya. Okay. Then, kani mag-partner diha. Okay. So, kani siya tanan. So, this one is different. Okay. So, C out. So, X value is, ano na yan? Paggawas na to. Okay, run na to class. Okay. So, karon tanawan class, ningon siya og POW. Wa siya nakaila og POW. Wa siya kailag square root. Because wala na to i-declare diri sa taas class. So, kinanglan pa na to i-declare si C Math. Okay? So, muna kung gikuan ninyo class. So, C Math function ni sila. So, kinanglan ka mag-declare sa C Math library. Okay? So, muna ibutang nimo diha. Okay, now let's run that one. There you go. Wala siya error class. So, since na-declare na nimo ang CMAT, so makagamit na ka sa POW function o sa square root class. So, for example, let's say 1. Ay, balik class kay na-off akong numeric keypad. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, dili niya pwede dawaton ang imuhang value. Kaya kung imo ning i-solve class, manumano ni nimo. So, what happens is, gagmay ra kay akong values. Okay? So, ang imuha ron dere, kung ato ni i-run, okay. Okay, there you go. X value is negative 2. So, kung ato ni siyang gamita o kuan discriminant calculator. Nataingon na sa quadratic equation class. So, pareha ron sa tunggi program, you have 2, 3, 1. So, let's have 2, 3, and 1. So, let's have it calculated. So, here it is. So, ang discriminant niya is you have there, pareha ni negative 2. So, diri sa yaha, discriminant diri niya sa ibabaw is 1, which is positive. Okay? So, hence, both of these equations are equal and unequal. Okay? Because the discriminant is different sa iyahang gihatag. Okay? So, muna inyong bantayan class. Okay? So, you have their b squared minus 4ac. Okay. So, muna inyong bantay-bantayan pag-declare class. Okay. So, tanawon ninyo. So, pwede ninyo ni mano-mano class. You have to check kung aray ba mo sa answer. Now, what if also kung gingon ani sad nato class, gidiretso nato, gidirect. Okay? Bantayan ninyo ni class ha. Mo-jive pa ba gihapon siya. So, here, ang atong gibalyo is 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, and 1. Okay. So, mo take effect gyapon ang minus. Okay. So, muna inyo hang isa check upon class. Okay. So, I'll give this in your example. Na siya. So, matest na ninyo class. Okay. So, these are some of the example class. So, muna yung akong pabantayan ninyo. So, notice, sa C Math, daghanday ka o magamit ng mga math function class. Okay? So, muna siya inyong gamiton. So, nakay function na cube root. Okay? So, nasa kay function exponential. So, inyo raan ay apply lang ninyo. So, parehaan ni, we're using the power and the square root. Okay? So, later, taganin mo na ako og activity nga kanang mag-convert og mathematical equation into C++. Okay? So, ana siya class. Okay, be? Tanawon na to class, ha? Panon mo na ako. Let's say, math equation. Itatagkuan. Patry na ako ninyo. Okay. Ayun eh. Ay, class. O, kani daw class B simple na kuan daw. Okay. So, what if I want you to give me up schedule? Katong ano na simplified pa gyud siya. Pythagorean theorem. Okay, class. Sige daw, B. I-type ko no ang equation equivalent ani sa C++ class. Okay? I want you to type here on our Google Meet. There is a chat message class. Palihog ako type sa inyong answer. Okay? So, what is the equivalent C++? If you're going to type this one in C++, how do you write this one in C++ equation or assignment statement class? Sige daw, class B. I-type daw diri sa chat message nato diri sa Google Meet. So, for example, C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. So, how do you write this in C++ assignment statement? I'll give you 3 minutes to type in here. There is atong in-call messages sa Google Meet. Okay? So, parehas akong gibuhat ganiha ba? This one. Okay? So, this time, gamit mo square root o pow function. Wala yung makakuan pa. Wala yung maka-answer. How do you write it? Pareha ba ni class ang kung gihimo? Nagamit ta sa quadratic equation. So, gi-translate na to into C++ na format. Okay, for sure, di man taka-type ano, square root. So, na siya function na sqrt. Square root. Then, power da yun. So, okay, si Eldred. Okay, si Marco na nasad. Okay, very good. Very good. Si Eldred, si Marco, si Marnie may naka-answer. Okay, very good. So, in that case, so, I want to show this dito sa tungkuan. Mhm. Okay, so, any class. Okay, so actually, you have actually done it. So, pwede ta, for example, class sa Pythagorean. Okay, parehato no. So, let's say integer A, B, and C. Pero ang mahitabo, ang atuan lang ano, Kani nga to ang Pythagorean. Okay. So, ang C nato is going to be a real number kay mag-accept mo gud siya real. Mag-result siya real. So, i-float na lang nato si C. Okay? So, let's have here C out. Enter the value for A and B separately. Okay. Then Cn, A, then B. Then C is equal to, so katuing nyo hindi pakita class, very good kayo to. So, square root, ani din class, square root of, sulod na to parentheses, A squared plus B squared. So, pwede ito mag-yun na class, A squared plus B squared. Okay? So, pwede na siya class. So, C out, Pythagorean result of C is, ano na yan? C. Okay? So, for example, ingon ta og 2 and 3. Okay. So, the result is 3.6055. So, 2 times 2, that's 4. 3 times 3 is 9. So, 9 plus 4, 13. Square root of 13. Okay? So, you have there 3.6055. Okay? Now, kung dili kay kaganahan mo gamit og math function, okay? So, pwede sa kami og A times A plus B times B. Okay? So, kana siya class. So, kani ang may tabo class, unahon ganiyan yung times bago siya mag-add. So, take note class, ang imo sang assignment statement mo follow sa MDAS. Pareha sa tong algebra, mo follow siya o kanang PEMDAS. Parentheses, power, multiplication, addition, division, okay? Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so bantayin na ninyo. So, parentheses, power, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? So, pariha lang gyapon sila class. So, the answer would be just the same. So, kana siya. So, kana siya class, pwede ta walay watay C Math. So, sa kaninga answer, pwede wala siya C Math. Pero katong isa, a while ago, magamit yung tag C Math ato class. So, POW 82 and then plus POW B2. Okay? So, muna iyahang bantayan. Okay? So, kani siya. Parihara ni sila. Okay. So, kana sila class. So, these are the basic operation in C++ once mag-deal na mga mathematical problem. Okay? So, na mo'y free use sa mga math functions. Okay? So, bantayan na ninyo. So, kani, magamit ra ni ninyo. Hopefully, sa lain. Okay? So, mo ni siya. So, I'm going to have this save as ato ni siyang ibutang C++ math operations, math operators, and math functions. Okay? So, i-upload na ako para na may kopya sa to ang lesson. material. Okay. So, kani siya class. To C++. Nara. Okay. Okay. So, na dire.
Ikaw, si ma'am.
Wala ko kabuluan na siya kay wait daw. Yang i-post na tong topic.
Live siya. Live siya mo.
Ay, okay. Nanani.
Siya rin. Nag-live sila.
Ha?
Lagi ang uban. Matag klase si ma'am.
Wala man. Ano si mo kaya i-post atong topic? Naglibang uban no. Naglib sila.
Wala.
Nag-message siya sa
Sir,
Messenger.
Isa daw.
Iya kay nawala.
Sige, maglib na lang ta.
Bye guys, may gabi ninyo.
Bye, classmate.
Ayong gabi po. Sige, bye-bye.
ma'am.
Class,
Enjoy
wala
si ma'am, guys.
internet. Sige lang, okay lang. With regards to attendance, no problem. Kaya automatic siya nag-attendance class. Sige lang, class. Okay. Don't worry with attendance. Actually, ganihan na record mo, tanan. So, Naputol gid siya class. Sorry gid kayo. So,
Ma'am, ando na sa pre-finals, ma'am, no?
sa pre-final yun nato class. And then, ako sa ning Osborne class kinawalang akong material sa kuan gi-upload na ko. Sige. Yes, sige, pangutana. Kisay wala ka take sa midterm. Pwede mo, ako lang ni, okay, sige, sige. Atong ikuan.
Kasi makasalo.
Okay, sige, buhata. So, for the meantime sa class, kay actually, napamanggit ta sa exam week karon. So, buhata lang sa inyohang katong wala pa ka complete og submit, buhata lang sa inyohang mga activities. Then ako sang usbon sa ning sa exam ninyo o i-extend sa nako siya. Actually, may bawaan man sad nako kung kapila mo nag-retake og exam class kadyot ha. Ako sang usbon ang setting niya class. So, kadyot. Saan man to? Presentation. Limit to 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Dati, grado sa prelim, ma'am.
Wala pa ko nag-post langga kay ako sa yung di pa ko na makakumplito mo tanan. I would not give grades nga incomplete. So, mo na nga, wala ko nag-release. Kung mag-release mo gani ko o grades class, I will have to inform and let you see first your grades before I'm going to post it. So, mo na nga, before I could post it, ako sagid mong pangutan on class kung okay na ba ni, wa ba ko'y na-miss sa inyo hangkan. So, mo na nga, you can actually, you can actually complain sa inyohang grades if ever manggani nga kung gusto mo verify nga ma'am naman ko ikuha nato, so pwede siya. So don't worry about it.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Okay, kisa to makatake tanawa ko nun bikong na na ba na open na ba siya sa midterm palihog ko check daw. Isa pa yung pangutana ninyo.
Pwede na mo leave, ma'am.
Pwede na mo leave. Kaya ako sang i-correct kay na problema. Nawala man ang kwan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ha? Adi, ang katungkuan, activity ninyo, midterm laboratory, mo na siyang katong laboratory works ninyo. Ang katong midterm exam, tanawa. Nanam, open na nimo? Sige, sige. Pag-take sa... Yes. Pwede pa. Katong wala nimo na comply, ikuan. Dong. Nana daw siya, Chin. Nana. Okay. So, lang, i-comply lang to ha, Arsani. Francis. Okay. I-comply lang to siya. So, kung nagani wala pa rin mo na comply, i-inform lang sa ko nga, ma'am, pa ko nakahuman. Okay? Sige. Ay, no problem. Sige lang. Mo nang wadyo ko submit to grado sa kay para lang yun makakomply mo. Okay. Sige, welcome. Pangutan na lang na yung mga dili masabtan ha. Okay, sige. Okay, see you on Thursday. Okay, bye-bye.